Fact.
If you want to drop me off, I'll run out there.
I'm running nuts.
We have a sub-vortex now.
Dude, this thing is intense. This is violent. Violent tornado, guys, on the ground. Holy shit, I love this.
Oh, I'm in heaven. I am in heaven.
Oh yeah, flat out, no question. This is totally unbelievable.
We're turning into a wedge. It is a wedge, pretty much. Okay, good, good.
Go back.
We're okay, Alex. Please just trust me. I'm begging you. When you're done with this, you'll thank me.
I'll just say 25.
Look at the trees!
Oh my god.
Move, Jim.
I'm out of film.
Can you get more film?
How do you
Okay, when you don't open it anymore. Press this.
Just look at it. You gotta get out and listen to this thing.
Okay! Get in the fucking car! Get in the car, Alex! Hold it in reverse.
Go.
Hold on, we're okay right now, but get ready to go in reverse.
Go.
Put it in reverse and hold on.
Oh, please go back.
Okay, stop.
Go back.
Okay, we're okay. We're still okay. We're still okay. As soon as you see that inflow jet get close, back up. Back the fuck up! Back up! Back up! Please, I hope they're okay. Oh my... Listen to it, bro!